Hi and welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about the two type of generator software. One is EST, one is ET software. The EST is used in a Perkins generators. EST stand for electronic software tools and the Caterpillar ET is stand for the electronic technician. We are talking about how to connect the software with the generator ACM controller and how to read and write all data of your generator and also the power wizard or the EMCP. Okay, before the starting the video, a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also don't forget to hit the bell notification to getting latest video updates. So let's get started. Doing the software job, programming the Caterpillar ECM controller or the Perkin EST, connecting the software is not a very big deal. It's very simple and very easy, not a rocket science. You have required this components devices for that. As you can see, this one, the Perkins connecting adapter, and this connector, as you can see, different type of connector. We have a box complete kit. As you can see, this is the complete toolbox kit. And this toolbox kit we have different type of connectors, adapters, and also you need to laptop for this programming. And first of all, you need to install the software in your PC or in your laptop, and then need to this connectors, this adapter for to connect with ACM and also with the power wizard controller. Okay, this tool you can buy only from the Caterpillar or Perkins authorized dealer, only provided by authorized dealer. Okay, or you can online can buy this from Amazon or Alibaba store. Nowadays this you can possible to buy this privately. Okay, so let's get started to explain how to do to connect the software with the generator and how to install first software and then connect with ACM and how to do all the task of the ACM. So let's get started. Every brand new ACM you can need before the software installation and ACM, before you need to install the flush file of the ACM. Each type of ACM model have own flush file. This flush file also provided by the manufacturer or the authorized dealer. Okay, you cannot able to program the new ACM without the installation of the flush file. Any kind of ACM need own file. Okay, install the software in your PC with the cassette provided or with the USB provided. Okay, first of all you need to install the software in your PC. After the successfully installation of software in your PC and your laptop, before the connection with the generator or with the EMCP controller, you should on your controller must be in on position. Okay, and ICM with respect to. Okay, take your communication cables adapter and connect adapter with the cable and then connect with the PC, and one side with the PC and one side with the CM. Okay, and then start the communication with the ECM or with the EMCP. After the successfully interconnection all PC adapter together, make sure your ignition key switch on or your power is on. Okay, first of all you need to hit on click on a software EST icon and then try to connect to communicate with initializing the communication. Okay, after that able to change and check all the parameter of the generator of the engine and of the ECM, and also you can change the engine speed, increase and decrease through this software, and you can register any kind of warning indication, and you can also diagnose and check the fault code DTC etc with this software, because this is specially made for these kind of engine. You cannot access completely of the electronic engine. You can check injectors from here, fuel pressure, oil temperature, and also the water temperature. You can able and disable the injectors, check the engine behavior with this test. So this is the complete detail about overview of the how to connect and how to use the EST and ET software. In the future, maybe we are making practically videos on this software. If you like and the video is be helpful for you, please make sure to like and share, and also make the comment what is the next video could be on it. So if you have further any question, please write comment below in comment section. I will give you the reply and quick response to you. If you have further any type of problem in your generator, engine, ACM and power visit controller, I will provide my email description in this video. In this video description, you can contact me only through this my Gmail. I will help you for free and diagnose with you together. So thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.